everybody. Welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I'm the Reading Safari and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today it is cold and it is wet outside, and although we do desperately need the rain, I am feeling such a longing for spring. So I thought that we could make some very beautiful blossoming trees. So for that project, you will need a piece of white paper. You can use regular. I have cardstock just because it's a little tougher, a little stronger. You will need a pencil, a black marker or a crayon will do, even a pen, just something to go over your lines where you've made your pencil marks. A pair of scissors, some glue, and the thing that's going to sell this is tissue paper. I have a few different colors here. So that's all you need. So grab your things. Let's make some trees together. The first thing that we're going to do is draw a tree on our paper. Now, I would like you to place your paper horizontally. That way we have more room for branches. So we're going to draw a tree with a pencil first. And just to remind you, your tree does not have to be perfect. It does not have to look like fine art. It does not have to do anything but be something that you are happy with. Okay? It doesn't have to look perfect. This is what I've got so far, but I'm going to modify it a little bit. So this is what I have. I mean, it's just a really basic tree. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline it in marker. I've got it all outlined in marker, and you know, it doesn't look like an especially wonderful tree, right? But I'm about to make it super magical with the tissue paper. So let me show you how we're going to do that. We're going to take our tissue paper, and you can cut it or tear it into smaller pieces, little squares. So I'm going to cut out a strip from each color, and then I'm going to cut it into squares. Okay? So I'm going to do that for each color, and you can go ahead and do that as well. Now I have this nice big pile of squares of tissue paper, and I'm going to use these to make blossoms on my tree. So all you have to do is just take one and crumple it up like this till it's a cute little ball, and then you can glue it to your tree. We'll just put a drop of glue on each branch and stick your little blossom there. And then you can keep doing that for each branch. Alternate colors. And then, as you can see, once you fill it up, it's just going to be so beautiful, okay? So get to work on that, and I'll work on mine too. So look at my tree. You see how beautiful it is? It's not perfect. I'm not an award-winning artist. But I got a chance to use my creativity to create this tree that makes me really happy. That's what creativity is about. Okay, everybody. Thank you for joining me today to make these tissue paper trees. I hope yours makes you happy. Mine makes me happy. Makes me look forward to spring, but it also makes me appreciate the current moment. Thinking about the rain and how it makes the trees bloom. And that's enough to get me through the rest of these cold winter months. Or in our case, probably not that much more of winter, knowing where we live. And so yeah, I'm good. I feel more light after having done this craft. And I hope you do too. Thank you for joining me. Always a pleasure. I will see you for the next Make It Monday. Take care, everybody. Have a great week. Bye-bye.